Yeah, welcome back again to Bima Information. And today is just a quick one. As a person who has been in this insurance industry for quite some good time, I have experienced both sides. I've seen customers who walk with a lot of peace in their mind, knowing that they'd insured their assets. I've already seen some of the customers who actually walk in regret by not taking the action when they could. My goal every day in these channels to make sure that you are among the first group. And if you're watching me today and you have never insured something valuable in your life, may it be your car, may it be your property, that is your home, may it be your life, may it be your staff or a team. Do not wait until it is too late. We do not take insurance uh, because we expect the worst. No, we take insurance because life is very unpredictable. Life is actually very unpredictable. You don't know about tomorrow. And that's why we take insurance. We take insurance because sometimes you're not assured of tomorrow, how things will do, how things will turn, how things will be. And sometimes we have worked so hard for whatever we have to leave our future to chance. Yes, we have worked so hard for us to leave our future to chance. That's why we take insurance. As a part in short, insurance is not for the unlucky, but it is for the wise. That's all today from Bima Information. Asante sana.